Got EXO's season greeting from Nature Republic that I'm going to unbox for you. And this one comes with all of the standees, calendar, and the catalogue, as well as the clear file. I want to unbox everything for you so you can see how everything looks like. I'm going to start with the standees. So there's all of them. We've got one right here. This one stands on. Towel. Kai. Dio. Luhan. Oh. Señor. Jimin. Suho. Sehan. Lei. Chris. Den last stycken. Oh. That's all of the standees. Then we have the let's take the clear file first. This is how it looks like. All of them. And then we have the catalog. Big one. That's the Nature Republic tree right there. Open it up. Might be better if I zoom in a bit. There we go. That's where all the different ingredients originates from. And the pictures. Oh. Journey to nature. Oh, begin. Oh. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh. I love nature pictures. Just so. Ah, everything is just so beautiful. Oh. Gosh, so. Ah. Oh. So. Here we have all of them. Shall I zoom out a bit? Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'll zoom in again. Oh, that's the wrong way. There we go. So pretty. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Let's zoom in. Oh. with these flowers. Oh, Chris. So. 좀. Sure. And loads of collage pictures. Oh, that was the catalog. And then move on to the calendar. Oh, the smaller one. There we go. That's the front. Take out everything. Did expect this to come with like, because in the picture it had like metal rings right here, but it didn't come with that. But you know, always tie a string or something instead. So basically this is what, oh, there they are. Duh. So these you put here, then put it like this. Ta-da! You can stand it up. Let's look at the pictures. Here we go. Oh. Go nature, woo! Journey to nature. January. Pecan. Oh, so adorable. Got February. January. Got March. Sehun. And then April. Kingso. And we got Kai, June, Suho, then we got July, Chris, then August, Tao, September, June, October, Luhan, oh. November, Shumin, and then December with Lei. Oh. Awesome. So that was the entirety of everything. I do highly recommend this season greeting, even though it's almost over 2014 now. So, but you know, can enjoy the last month with the EXO. Okay, so that was everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.